Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can see your status on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below, which is the on the right side corner of the screen, and after that you should scroll down and tap on privacy. Here you have the status option, click on it, and here you have three options you can choose from: my contacts, accept, and then accept the people that you select from your contact, or only share with a few people that you select. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.